All right, Orchestra 2 violas. We are working on page 35. You guys have exercises number 2 and 3. Exercise number 2 is going over notes on the C string. You also are learning notes on the C string and extended hand position. So before you go on to exercise 2 and 3, I would practice exercise 1. I'm going to go over exercise 1 and go over those notes for you. And then we'll do exercise numbers 2 and 3. Okay. Remember that the musical alphabet is the first 7 letters of the alphabet, and then it repeats over and over and over. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And then we go back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. So line number 1, notes on the C string. Okay. It shows you at the very top in the top portion of the page, the notes on the C string and what fingers are used for those specific notes. It also is written right above the notes on line number 1, okay? So, line number 1. C again. B. Fourth finger for G. Repeat and. So that was line number 1. Review that so that you're able to play line number 2 accurately. So you're learning the C major scale starting on the C string. We've already done the C major scale starting on the G string with our 3rd finger. Now we're starting on the C string. Okay? So line number 2, make sure that you watch where your half steps are. The half steps are indicated by those little triangles. Okay? Line number 2. 1, 2, ready, and. On line number 3, this is where we start to use our extended hand positions. So we're used to just having our first finger on the first finger tape for E and our first finger on the first finger tape for B's, for B naturals and E naturals. Now we're learning about E flats and B flats. So a flat note is going to be a note that is lowered by a half step. So if E is here, you're going to lower your first finger. It's going to be pretty close to the nut back there. Okay, and you're gonna have an E flat. Same thing when you're on the A string for B, right on the tape. I don't have tapes, but this is where the tape would be. And then you're gonna lower your first finger half a step back here by the nut, okay, for B flat. So for line number 3, I want you to make sure that you take all repeats and watch your low first fingers. So this is a regular E natural. And then I lower it back here. Hear the difference. Okay, so you have to make sure that that first finger goes all the way back. Okay? So I'm going to play line number 3 with repeats. F natural, low 2. B stretch that third finger. Whenever we play low first fingers, we have to make sure that we stretch those third fingers high enough so that they are in tune, okay? Use a tuner when you're playing this, and you're more than welcome to play along with the recording. Have a good day.